In the movie starting, a marriage oath is taking place between Wang Li and Fang Luan. Then we see a couple diving into the sea, exchanging rings and kisses each other. Suddenly, a shark appears behind Fang Luan and eats her alive. Wang Li tries to save himself from the shark. After that, we see Wang Li suddenly awaken from his sleep. At that time, a news was going on about unusual weather on the team. A girl is running on the beach and sees a crowd is gathered. After coming closer, she found the corpse of a shark. Wang Li came out from his house and saw an unusual disturbance among the birds in the sky. Then a man came to catch Wang Li and asked to return his money, but Wang Li ran away from there. A woman is diving underwater and got entangled in the herd of fishes and was saved by a man. In the swimming pool, a woman named Shaolin is relaxing. When she saw a shark is coming, she got scared. Turns out the shark was a prank made by a man named Sang. Shaolin's husband named Banki tells Sangni to apologize, but he intimidates him with his bodyguard and leaves the pool. In the afternoon, hotel's owner named Su Pan greeting the tourists that came to the hotel. When an old man asks his daughter named Wen Wen to click his photo, and then they enters the hotel. On the next moment, Wang Li came and apologized to Supan for being late. He scolds Wang Li for drinking again and goes away from there. In the night party, Wang Li boss tells him to not let any mishaps happen into the party and told him about the little master of the St. Laurent hotel chain. Then Wang Li friend Lisa came to the party. Lisa's teasing Wang Li during his work into the party. Sangni was staring at Shaolin. Then Supan came. Sangni pushes Supan aside and goes to Shaolin and tries to flirt with her. Then Banki grabs his collar but got thrown away into the pool by his bodyguard, named Zhao Pang. At that time, an earthquake occurred into the sea, which causes party lights to go on off. Residents got panicked due to the situation, and Supan assures residents that everything is okay. After enjoying the party, Lisa came to the beach where she met Swangli and both of them talking to each other throughout the night. In the morning, all the residents of the island and Wang Li see the tsunami coming towards the island. He awakened Lisa and both of them tried to run towards the hotel. In the hotel, after saving Lisa from drowning, Wang Li and few other survived residents saw a person was eaten alive by a shark outside the hotel. Everyone tries to block the gate to prevent the shark from coming inside. When Wang Li opened the door and Fen Wen's father asked her to go with the other people into the hotel, but she refuses to go. Fen Wen's father forcibly sends her with them, but her father was eaten by the shark. Lisa awakens Wang Li and asks him if he is okay. An argument happened between Wen Wen and Sangni, due to which he decided to separate himself from Wang Li's group with his bodyguard and go through the hall. They found and see Supan but couldn't help to open the door and tells him to wait for the rescue. Meanwhile, Shaolin is shouting for help. Wang Ki tells her that shouting won't help them. Supan was saved by Wang Li, then they heard a loud voice and meets Sangni, who tells him that his bodyguard Zhao Pang had died after coming in contact with the water. Wang Li figures out that it was due to electric shock and goes into the generator room and turns off the generator. At that time, Shark was trying to break the door. Wang Li and others figures out that the water level is increasing and Shark will soon come inside. Wen Wen's leg was injured by a rusty weapon and her wound keeps getting worse. Wang Li said it might be tetanus. Lisa tries to help her. Wang Li tells everyone to break the wall. Wen Wen tells everyone they can't break the wall by this way and tells her father's technique to break the wall. And after that, they successfully destroyed the wall and meets Wang Yi and Shaolin. They ask them if they came to save them. Wang Li tells them to wait. Lisa asks Wen Wen about her technique and she tells about her father being an architect. At that time, Shark broke the door and came inside the hotel. Sangni hit Supan and ran away, and Supan was eaten by Shark. Others jumped to the other side of the wall, but during Wang Li's turn, Shark catch up to him. Wang Li tries to save himself from the shark by climbing the table. Wang Li was starting to remember his past with Fang Luan. Wang Li told other about the truck blocking the door to the outside. Wang Li tells other that shark came because of the food smell in the truck. Wang Li reveals his idea of saving everyone and told Sangni to distract the shark. During this time, Wang Li goes to the truck and tries to blast it. Due to Sangni's negligence of distracting the shark, Shark goes towards Wang Li, and Lisa jumps into the water and cuts his head to attract the shark. For saving Wang Li, Lisa was pulled out from the water before Shark eaten her, but Shaolin was accidentally dropped into the water. To save her, Banki jumps on the shark. During this time, Wang Li blasts the truck. In the blast, Banki lost his hand, Shaolin asking Banki to awake and to not leave her alone into this world. Sangmi thought shark is dead and repeatedly kicks the shark and were eventually eaten by it. While crying, Lisa trying to awaken Bangli. After waking up, she kissed him and goes to check others. Lisa tells Shaolin about Banki being alive and just being unconscious and he needs to be rescued. Bangli and others goes outside the hotel and rescued by the helicopter.